How to fade images to transparent in Gimp. First, I need to open the image that I wish to fade. Simply click here on Open and find the image that you wish to fade. This is the image and I need to open it. Click here on Convert and this is the image that I wish to fade. So if you wish to fade entire image to transparent, you can simply come here where it says opacity and you can simply drag this, and as you can see, the image is fading. And you can drag it to the level that you actually wish. So I will drag it back, but if you wish to fade just a part of this image to transparency, if you wish to gradient fade this image, you can come here to the image layer, right click here and then click here on Add Layer Mask. And then here choose White Full Opacity and then click here on Add. And now click on this layer mask, okay? So now what you need to do, you simply need to click here on Gradient Tool. And then here you can choose different kind of gradient levels, gradient tools. So for example, when I click here on Custom, when I click here and drag, I can gradient fade this image. And as I move it like this, I can move my gradient. Or you can simply choose a different gradient. For example, let me choose FG to transparency, okay? And now when I click here and drag gradient, here you can see I'm actually gradually fading this image, okay? And you can click here on undo and again on undo gradient, and you can click here on again and you can drag it like this, okay? And you can also play with the opacity and you can fade entire image or just a part of the image to the level that you wish. So this is how you fade image to transparency in Gimp.